Welcome to Breakout EDU. Stranded in the Rainforest, a breakout about prefixes and suffixes. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest and home to so many amazing species. I departed on an adventure to parachute into the rainforest to further explore its wonders. This turned out to be a bad idea. My parachute and backpack got tangled in a tree, unhooked from me, and left me landing safely on the forest floor. That wasn't the only problem, though. No one would be able to locate me or pick me up without the use of my satellite phone, which was in the side pocket of my backpack, tangled up in the tree. Can you help me trek safely through the dense rainforest in order to retrieve my backpack and satellite phone so I can call for help before it turns dark? I don't have much time. For this game, you'll set the locks to the following: the 3-digit lock, 234, 4-digit, 4738, the direction lock, up, right, down, right, up, the ABC multi-lock, the word layer, and the key lock is going to be located near one of the leafcutter ants. Resources you'll need for the game. You'll need all of the resources shown here from the Breakout EDU kit. You'll also need a tablet or a computer that can read a QR code. With the invisible ink pen, you're going to circle some of the letters from the 4-digit lock puzzle. You'll notice you're going to circle the I on the leaf that has the prefix dis, circle the R on the leaf with the word appear, circle the E on the leaf that has the word correct, and circle the U on the leaf that has the prefix un. Printouts that you'll need for the game are all shown here as well. You'll need to print them out, and you may laminate them and cut them out if you want to reuse them again. The game overview. In the large Breakout EDU box, you're going to print out and put the poster that says "We broke out," and it has the satellite phone and backpack on it. You'll put the hasp, the ABC lock, the direction lock, the 4-digit lock, and the key lock on the hasp. For the small breakout box, you're going to put in there the telephone keypad, the rainforest exploration tip, and the leaves that will be cut out will all be placed inside of there. You'll place the 3-digit lock on the small breakout box and also have the UV flashlight inside that small breakout box. For the 3-digit lock, you're going to cut out the bananas and the rainforest tip, which are shown here. You're going to place them near the small breakout box. You'll notice that the words on the bananas correspond to the pictures that are shown on the monkeys. For example, shine goes with the flashlight, drink with the water bottle, and open with the first aid kit. They'll notice that when they have the monkeys swing from each tree, they're only going to count the words that are real. And you'll notice the clue here that says only the real vines will take you on the right path. So for example, if you look, drink only has 2 real words, drinks and drinking. You'll notice that open only has 3 real words when you connect them to the suffixes, and shine has 4. They'll know the order of the clue by looking at the exploration tip. For the 4-digit lock, students are going to use the UV flashlight as well as the telephone keypad and the rainforest exploration tip. They'll notice that when they take these leaves and put them together to create a real word, they'll build the words disappears, incorrectly, and unassisted. When they place these letters that are circled in invisible ink in the right order, as you see here, they'll use the telephone keypad to find that I goes with the number 4, R with the 7, E with the 3, and U with the number 8 for the code 4738. They'll know the order as well of the words by putting them into this close reading passage. For the key lock, you'll put the red lens template somewhere in the room, either on a table or on the wall, or somewhere where students may be able to find it. What you're going to do is have different types of leaves cut out and put around the room. Somewhere near the leaf, you'll have copies of the leafcutter ant. You can have more than one leafcutter ant if you have multiple groups playing this game. If you have multiple groups, students can find the leafcutter ant and then turn it into the teacher to receive a key. Or if playing just with one box, you can hide the key somewhere near that leafcutter ant so students will find it. For the direction lock, you're going to need the Rainforest exploration tip and the trees that have the prefixes and suffixes on it. They'll notice that when they read this clue, if you are unsure, quickly return to the strongest tree and be careful. There are prefixes and suffixes located in that clue. If they look in the right order, the first one is un, so they'll go from the X to un. The next one is li, so they'll go right, followed by re, which is down, est, over to the right, and then up to full, which is the backpack, which gives you the directions that are shown. For the ABC lock, you're going to have these QR codes that are going to be cut out. Make sure that you copy them 1 to 2 and 3 to 4, so that way the correct QR code is on the back of each card. Once you copy them front to back, cut them out and cut them straight down the middle. Place all of the word puzzle pieces inside of a bag or envelope and place it somewhere in the room or hide it. You'll also want to have the QR code that says "Watch Me," as that goes with the puzzle. After they scan the QR code, they'll watch a video that mentions animals that live in the different layers of the rainforest. When they put these together to make words, so again plant would be replant, when they scan the QR code on the back, it's going to give them a certain letter that is circled or underlined or in black. They'll see that when they put those in the right order, as they were in the video, that it will spell out the word layer. Once students correctly put all of the clues together and unlock all of the locks, they'll get into the large breakout box and they'll be able to retrieve the satellite phone and can call for help to be rescued. Have fun playing Breakout EDU!